Okay, so we're trying to calculate the area of the following shapes direct to one decimal place. The first shape is a trapezium. So the formula for the area of a trapezium, and we are talking about area, is A is equal to a half A plus B times by H, where A is the shorter side, B is the longer side, and H is the perpendicular height. So this is just simply a matter of substituting into that formula. A half times by, or just half the brackets, which we know means times by, 0.8 plus B, which is 1.2, multiplied by the height, which is 0.4. Put it on the calculator, 0.5 or half multiplied by, in brackets, 0.8 plus 1.2, close brackets, times 0.4 is 0.4. Now, it's an area, and our units are kilometres, so it will be in square kilometres. And it's already in one decimal place, so we're done. Now, the next one is a sector graph. Now, the formula for the area of a full circle is pi r squared. Now, we don't want a full circle, we only want this angle inside here. Now remember, the whole thing's 360. We've already got 150 taken here, which means the rest of that must be 210 degrees to make it up to 360. So we need the interior angle. We don't want this outside angle, we want the interior angle. Now that is going to be 210. Now I might just go back to the original formula, which is theta over 160 multiplied by pi r squared. So our angle inside is 210 over 360 multiplied by pi, multiplied by the radius, which is 3 metres, getting squared. And we just enter that in on the calculator. 210 over 360 multiplied by pi times 3 squared gives us 16.4933. Now, again, it's an area. Our units are metres, so square metres, which we want to round to one decimal place. So we're going to say approximately 16.5 square metres. Okay. That's the end.